Welcome to the Hurdlr Premium tutorial. Hurdlr Premium is designed to provide you with even more time and money savings. In this video, we'll walk you through the special features unlocked in Hurdlr Premium and how they provide additional value for you and your business. If you opt into the premium version trial, you can try our premium features free for 7 days. If you're on the free version of Hurdlr, you can upgrade at any time to take advantage of the time and money saving premium features. The premium version automates everything, so you never miss a deduction, saving you time and money. Whether you upgrade to premium or stay with free, you can export all your data from Hurdlr for free at any time, including tax season. Now, let's talk about premium features. Auto mileage tracking helps you maximize your mileage deduction by automatically tracking all of your trips. After your trips, just swipe to tag them as business or personal. Auto income and expense tracking puts your business bookkeeping on autopilot. No more fussing with spreadsheets or complicated accounting software. To link your finances with one of almost 10,000 supported credit cards or banks, toggle on auto tracking on the income or expense screens. Once you approve your new transactions as business or personal, you can also go further back. Have an expense that's always business or always personal? Swipe right or left gently to bring up the Rules menu. Adding rules tells Hurdlr to always put future expenses in a certain category, saving you lots of time. You can edit or delete rules at any time from your vendors list. Even with auto finance tracking, tagging your new transactions can be time-consuming. In Hurdlr Premium, you can use speed tagging, which saves tons of valuable time. To access speed tagging, tap on your expense or income tabs, then tap the orange icon in the bottom right. Quickly select which transactions you want to tag as business or personal. That's it for speed tagging. The free version shows your overall tax estimate for federal, state, and self-employment tax. However, special insights are not available. Hurdlr Premium gives you full access to your tax engine calculations, showing how much you owe at each level, plus additional features. The Details screen gives you more insight into how your tax estimates are calculated and shows your federal and state brackets. As you go through the year, you might need to make estimated tax payments toward your outstanding balance. After you make a tax payment, you can enter it here, and Hurdlr will update your outstanding tax balance. Tap Report to generate a comprehensive spreadsheet, which you can send to yourself or your accountant. You can save even more time tracking your business mileage by setting work hours. Work hours are perfect if you have set hours during the week you drive for business. Toggle work hours on and then select the hours each day you might drive for business. Hurdlr's auto mileage tracker will categorize any drive outside these hours as personal, showing you only the drives that might be business deductible. That's about it for the Hurdlr Premium tutorial. Thanks for watching. Whether you decide to use free or premium, the choice is completely up to you. The free version provides good value for part-timers. If you have questions, you can always message the customer success team in-app. Just tap on the chat bubble icon.